Wilson GST Official Game Ball. This is without a doubt the best ball for flag football. It's made of durable leather with high-raised laces. This football is the official ball of many college teams throughout the country. The seam design of the ball allows for a natural feel that most quarterbacks love. Wilson is the top provider to high schools across the country. As a result, most players are used to the feel of the Wilson ball and are comfortable throwing it. The major differences that separate the Wilson GST ball from other balls come down to very minor details. The first difference is the stripe on the front and back half of the ball. The difference between the college and pro ball is this stripe. While this doesn't seem like a big deal, as a receiver who is looking to make a catch, the white stripe helps to provide a context on the depth of the ball. The other major separator is the game ball has these stripes stitched on. This is different from the practice balls, which only have the stripes painted on. In order for a ball to be an official game ball, it has to have the stripes stitched on instead of painted on.